Good morning, my love. Welcome to a guided meditation by Lavender. I'm happy you made the choice to meditate and start your day with positive intention. Let's get into a comfortable seated position. Close your eyes and rest your hands on your knees with your palms facing up. Take 3 deep breaths with an open mouth exhale. Take a moment for gratitude. Focus on what you have to be grateful for today. Take another deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathe in and imagine positive energy coming into your body through the top of your head. As you breathe out, imagine that positive energy flowing through your body all the way down your limbs and pushing old, stagnant energy out through the tips of your toes. So breathe in positive, loving energy and breathe out. Let all that positive energy flow through you, washing away any negative thoughts, energy, and emotions that aren't serving you.